Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your first forecast.
All right, as quickly as a severe thunderstorm warning was issued, it has now expired. The storm has weakened somewhat, but we're still getting downpours, some gusty wind, and still the potential for some small hail. So a lot to cover. We're going to spend a lot of time on the Doppler radar, and we're going to hone in on the areas of orange and yellow. That quite simply, that's where the heavier downpours are located. Now, the stronger storm that came through the Providence metro area just a little while ago has now moved off to the east, out towards places like Dayton and Rehoboth, Mass. You can get in real close here. And what's left of that storm, it has weakened, but moving through Dayton, Rehoboth, and Somerset right now, heading towards Route 24, certainly slowing things down for the evening commute. That'll be tracking off to the east, and it continues to weaken. But we still have some more heavy downpours out across the Connecticut-Rhode Island border. This one cell is getting a little stronger now. This is the Connecticut-Rhode Island border right in here, Route 102, Western Coventry, downpours and some gusty wind. This is also tracking off to the east as well. So communities in West Warwick, and out towards the southern part of Kent County. This will be moving through the next 15 to 25 minutes with some downpours, a rumble of thunder, some gusty wind, and the potential is there for some small hail as well. They've had a history of some damaging wind gusts. I'll show you that in just a second. And the last area, and again, these have been isolated out across Franklin, Massachusetts. This is also working off to the east and heading towards Mansfield and North Attleboro very shortly with some heavy downpours. Obviously, terrible timing here with the evening commute. And here's the wider view. Behind all of this, it tends to quiet down. So once these get through here in the next roughly 30 to 45 minutes, things will tend to diminish as the system producing all of this will eventually pull away. Now, storm damage is automatically plotted on our maps, and these little icons indicate where we've had some reports of wind damage. I know in the Foster area, in between routes 6 and 44, right in here, report of some wind damage, some trees and power lines down in this area, and then a second area. This is out towards, this was in Johnston, report of a tree down on Spring Street. So there have been some isolated cases of some wind damage, and we'll watch the situation closely. But I mean, incredible improvement in downtown Providence compared to 30 minutes ago when the rain was blowing sideways. You can see some of the darker clouds now. This is in Oakland Beach in Warwick, where the storm system, at least one of them, is pulled away. But you see another area of darker clouds and heavy rain getting ready to approach. That's that second system across western Kent County. You see the storms on the Doppler radar eventually pushing offshore. I do expect in the next hour to hour and a half, most of this is long gone, as another system that we're tracking for tomorrow will bring additional showers for Friday afternoon, but the threat of any severe weather with that is certainly diminished. It's a busy weather pattern ahead. 7-day futurecast shows some quick showers during the afternoon tomorrow after a dry start Friday morning, sunny and chilly on Saturday. All eyes are on Sunday and Monday. We've been talking about this now for the last couple of days, but an ocean storm seems likely, and how close or far away from our coastline will determine whether or not this is something significant. But the potential is there for significant snow, rain, and wind, and it is not out of the question, folks, on the first day of spring here this weekend on Sunday and Monday for accumulating snow. So this one bears close watching. The timing on this right now is Sunday evening, Sunday night into Monday morning. This could be a high-impact coastal storm. In the meantime, the storms that I'm tracking now will be weakening, but still the risk of some heavy downpours and gusty wind next half hour to 45 minutes.
All right, Tony, thank you.